Question 8 of our 2022 HSC paper is as follows. They've given us a graph of an even function, y equals to f of x, and they've told us that the area of the shaded region A is half, and that the area of the shaded region B is 3/2. Now, area is obviously linked to the integral. However, since area can never be negative, that would mean that if we have a negative integral, we have to absolute value it to get a positive area. So when do you get a negative integral? You get a negative integral when that part of the curve is below the x-axis. If that area is above the x-axis, naturally your integral and therefore your area will be a positive. But if it's under the x-axis, your integral will be a negative, and you have to absolute value that integral in order to get a positive area. So that would mean that region B would have had a value of -3/2 as being the answer for the integral, which was then absolute valued to give us a positive 3/2 units squared for the area for that section. A would have been positive half anyway, since that part of the curve is above the x-axis. So now on to our actual question, which asks us what the value of the integral between -2 and +2 is. So since this function is symmetrical about the y-axis, therefore we can conclude that this section here will also have an integral value of half, just like region A. And this section here will have an integral value of -3/2, just like that of B. And when we come to add those together, we get -6/2 plus half plus half. -6/2 is -3 plus 1, and your answer should be -2. And that is why C is the answer.